What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get your LLC started and get it created for North Carolina. So if you're looking to get an LLC and get your business started, there's two things you have to keep in mind when getting the whole process started, right? You need to set up your LLC, and you always have to make sure that every year with the LLC that you renew it, because every year they're going to ask you, the state is going to ask you to renew it, and it's usually in like the beginning of the year. If you miss out on that, you do have to pay a penalty. So just like for the future, right? You always have to make sure you renew your LLC every year once you have it established. You also want to get an EIN number for the LLC. What is an EIN number? An EIN number is like the social security number of the business. This is issued by the IRS, and it's about like an 8 to 9 digit code that they give you. And this is the code that, like, let's say you go to Chase and try to apply for a business bank account, a business credit card, they're gonna ask for that EIN number. So you always wanna keep that EIN number in hand, you know, after you start and have your LLC established. So this whole video is gonna be really fast and easy. You're gonna get your LLC started within 5 minutes from now. I'm gonna have the link of everything I use of the website down below, so that way you can like click it, follow along the whole process, and I'll have it in the description as well as in the pinned comments. So it's really fast and easy for you guys. So let's get started. So in front of me here, I have Zen Business. I highly recommend Zen Business if you're looking to get your LLC started. Like I said, I'm gonna have it in the description down below as well as in the pinned comments. So you always want to have a business name already in mind when you get started. For me, I sell on Amazon. That's how I make the majority of my money. We're gonna put Midtown Power Seller as an example for like an LLC that I want to get started. You want to have a business name in mind already, and you don't have to put LLC because it's gonna do it for you. So all we're gonna do now is click Start in LLC. So now we're gonna click this bottom right corner. Let's do it. And now you're going to click the state that you're filing for. We're going to be picking North Carolina for this video. We're going to click North Carolina. We're going to click Next. How much experience do you have running a business? We're going to put some. All right, click Next. Will your business have employees within the first year? For me, it's just going to be me because I sell online. If you have employees, you know, you can click Yes, 1 to 5. All depends on your situation. Will your business address be different from your home address? For me, it's a no because I pretty much sell online, and I don't mind using my home address for my business address. If you have like a retail or a storefront, you know, like a brick and mortar, then of course it's going to be different. It all depends on your situation, right? If you want a little bit more privacy later down in the future, maybe you could use a PO box. Depending on your state, it varies, but for me, I always use my personal address. So your business address is going to be a no for me. And how far along are you in your business? I'm going to put planning on launching soon, 1 to 2 months. You can pick whatever works for you. And what are your business goals? Side business, primary income, the next big thing. I usually always put just primary income. And then what kind of business are you forming? So you just click this little drop box here, and there's a ton of categories and industries that you can choose from here, and you're gonna just pick what you fall under. For me, I sell, like I said, online, sell on Amazon, so that's e-commerce. So they have that already there for me. Just gonna put that and click it. We're gonna click Next. And do you want to save your progress? We're just gonna skip this because we're pretty much almost done with the whole thing. Like I said, this is going to be a real fast video for you guys. Click Next. Appoint your state required registered agent. So people tend to get a little bit confused with the registered agent and what does this mean. For me, I'm my own registered agent for all of my LLCs. I highly recommend you to be your own registered agent as well. Only time you have somebody as you assign somebody as a registered agent is like if you're filing. Let's say you live in North Carolina and you want to create an LLC in Florida, then you would have to assign somebody as a registered agent because you have to live in that state to file an LLC for that state. So like I said, 90 to 95% of the people watching this video will be their own registered agent. I'm my own registered agent. Maybe like, let's say your CPA recommends you to file an LLC in a different state for tax benefits and tax purposes, then maybe. But like I said, I'm always my own registered agent for all of my LLCs. All depends on you. All right. So I'm going to click, I'll appoint my own registered agent, which is going to be myself. Click next. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure I want to appoint someone else, which is going to be yourself. Okay, now you have 3 packages to choose from. You have the starter, the pro, and the premium. I don't really like the premium. I think the premium is a little bit overpriced, $350. It's pretty expensive. You can go with the starter or the pro. So what I really like about Zen Business is that you don't have to pay to use their service. That's like such an amazing thing. You only have to pay the state filing fee of $128. So if you use the starter, right, the only bad thing about it is that it does take 2 to 3 weeks to file, which is a bit long, and you don't get the EIN number for it. With the pro, you pay a little bit extra, $199. But you get the filing within 4 to 5 business days, and you also get the EIN number as well. So it all depends on your situation. If you're really serious and you're ready to make money and you're ready to get this whole process started, then maybe check out the pro. If you want to save a little bit of money, you can check out the starter as well. For this example, we're going to go with the starter because I'm going to show you guys something really cool, really fast here. We're going to click the starter and we're going to click next. And then this is a little add-on. We're going to skip this, right? And now they're going to ask for the EIN number. If you want to pay a little bit extra, $99, they'll also do the EIN process for you, a 9-digit ID assigned by the IRS. I highly recommend to do this and pay a little bit extra, $99. And then this is operating agreement. You really don't need this, to be honest, so no thank you. And then it's going to ask you for a bunch of add-ons as well, like do you want a business bank account for a little bit extra? No thank you. Bookkeeping? No thank you. Website builder? No thank you. And then if you wanted rush filing, you could pay a little bit extra, $79, or you could wait 2 to 3 weeks because we're choosing the starter pack. Personally, I don't mind waiting 2 or 3 weeks. Depends on your situation, right? If you're really serious and you really wanna, you have plans already to start stuff, you can do the rush filing. So we're gonna click next, and now you're gonna just fill out this information here. I'm gonna just put some random stuff here because this video is an example for you guys. So George Pro. Right, and then you're going to continue to review order. Okay, and now it's the total price due today is $128, which is the North Carolina state filing fee of $128. I mean, the North Carolina, to have your LLC established, you always have to pay a state filing fee of whatever the state cost is. For North Carolina, it's $128. And then after you do that, you have your LLC filed, you can get your EIN, which is $99, which they'll most likely bill you later. So continue to payment. All you're gonna do now is add your credit card info, add your password, create your account, and you're all set and done. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's really fast and easy to get your LLC started and established and even get your EIN number. This is gonna allow you to get your business bank account, your business credit card, all of that stuff you need to really get the ball rolling and really start making money and being your own boss. Literally the best thing you can do is start your own business and work for yourself. It is hard in the beginning. I'm not gonna lie, I've always worked for myself, and it's, it does get a little bit hard, especially with selling online and stuff. But I mean, you're your own boss. You set the rules of when you want to work, when you don't want to work. And I highly recommend it. So if you have any questions regarding this whole video, leave a comment down below. Also, if you can hit that like button and subscribe if you're new, I'd really appreciate it. This channel is pretty new, So anything that, if you can hit the like, subscribe, comment, it really means a lot to me. It really helps me out. And that's about it, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in comments down below. See you guys on the next one. Peace.